Hello everyone, in this video let us see how to add zones. To add zones you should visit the Delaware.app/admin website and then enter the valid credentials to log into the site. Now you can see the admin dashboard. Now click on the city management and click zones. Here you can see all the list of zones that have been created previously. To add zones, click on the add zone option, then enter the zone name. Select the status. You can also add delivery charge based on distance. For that, first you need to define the range of distances for what the charges will apply by entering the minimum and maximum kilometers. Next, you need to specify the delivery charge for this range. There are two options for calculating these charges. If you choose the rate option, the delivery charge will be a flat rate for distances from 0 to 5 kilometers. For example, if you set the price to 10, any delivery within 0 to 5 kilometers will cost 10. Alternatively, if you select the each option, the charge is calculated for each 1 kilometer within the same initial range of 0 to 5 kilometers. This flexibility allows you to choose a pricing model that best fits your delivery service. By using this add row option, you can add multiple distance ranges and specify different delivery prices for each range. This allows you to set a comprehensive pricing model for various distances. By using this delete option, you can delete rows. In this search and map option, you can search the particular location that will automatically point out the location in map. And then using this draw shape icon, you can draw a boundary around the zone. You can also draw multiple boundaries within the same zone. We use this zone option while adding a restaurant. We choose delivery zones, then the restaurant will be visible only to the end user within this particular boundary. Similarly, when adding a driver, we set work zones, which is used to assign them to deliver only within those areas. This ensures efficient delivery within designated boundaries. Then click Save button. Now the zone is added to the zone list. Here you can activate or inactivate the zone as per the requirement. By using this edit icon, you can edit the fields and save the changes. The added delivery charges will be reflected while adding a restaurant. When adding a restaurant to the system, you have the option to configure delivery based on predefined zones. If you choose this option, you can select the relevant zones from a drop-down menu, and you can add multiple zones at the same time. After adding all required details to add restaurant, move to the delivery charge segment. In the delivery charge segment of the restaurant, you'll see the delivery charges associated with the zones you've selected. These charges are based on the prices you specified when you initially created each zone. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust the distance range and the corresponding delivery charges to suit your needs. That is how the zone works. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.